Welcome to Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. I'm Alan. Today we're going to take a look at the Nokia X3-02, which was released in 2010. The screen resolution was 240 by 320 pixels. It came with a 5 megapixel camera. The phone was also Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to connect to your own home broadband system. Dimensions were 106.2 by 48.4 by 9.6 millimeters. It weighed a little over 77 grams, and surprisingly for 2010 it still used the usual mini SIM. Here's some pictures of a Nokia and an LG taken using the 5 megapixel camera. And here's a demonstration of the Nokia's camera capabilities and qualities. The mobile comes with a micro SD dedicated slot, which was very handy for getting the videos and pictures which you just seen before. It was Bluetooth enabled, had a radio, USB port, and as I mentioned earlier, it had wireless LAN, which means you could boot up to your broadband. It was also possible for social media junkies to connect to Facebook and Twitter. Unfortunately, I couldn't get hooked up to Guitar Hero. The X3-02 was Java enabled. It had predictive text, had an organizer, also had a voice memo. As you can see, the display is crystal clear, fantastic display there. Standby time for the Nokia was a really good 400 hours, and you had around about 5 hours talk time. Play music for around 28 hours. Hope you've enjoyed this quick presentation on this X3-02 Nokia. If you have, hit the like, subscribe, also add a comment underneath and follow me at Vintage MPR on Twitter.